Critical Environment Technologies Canada is pleased to present the Yes Air. The Yes Air is a battery-powered portable air quality monitor and data logging instrument. It is designed for intermittent or continuous indoor air quality monitoring. The Yes Air is available in two models, the Yes Air D Diffusion model and the Yes Air Pump model. The main difference between the two models is the method in which they sample the air. The Yes Air D works by sample air passing through the sensor openings by diffusion on the top of the unit. The Yes Air Pump works by drawing in sample air through a nozzle with an internal pump on the side of the unit. On the top of the unit is a tiny hole that acts as an outlet for the sample air to escape. It is important to make sure this outlet is not blocked or plugged at any time. Similarly, the air vents on either side of the top surface allow heat buildup from the sensors to escape and should remain clear at all times. Both models offer the following features. Choose from several different sensor types such as electrochemical, catalytic, PID, or infrared. The unit is lightweight and comfortable to hold and has a rugged UL94 rated ABS polycarbonate enclosure. The backlit LCD display has a multifunction menu. It can be powered by alkaline batteries, rechargeable batteries, or a wall adapter. There is an internal sample air draw pump and 30 different plug-and-play sensors to choose from. It has an optional 2 GB memory card for storing log data and a USB connection for data transfer. It is designed for handheld use, but can also hang on the wall, mount on a camera tripod, or sit on a desk. And it has a secure cable lock similar to what is used on a laptop computer. The Yes Air has the capacity for 7 internal sensors, 1 temperature sensor, 1 relative humidity sensor, and 5 plug-and-play gas sensors. In addition, it can be connected to a Yes Dust via the auxiliary port. The Yes Dust is a general-purpose particulate sensor that counts particulates between 1 and 10 microns in size. It should not be used in clean room applications. The Yes Dust uses the Yes Air's data logging capabilities to record data and adds this information to the log file along with the Yes Air's data records. If you would like more information on the Yes Dust, please visit our website. The Yes Air has plug-and-play smart sensors. With the display facing you, look at the top of the Yes Air and you will see 5 gas sensor sockets. The 3 sockets closest to the back edge are for electrochemical toxic gas sensors, with the socket 2 configured specifically for an oxygen sensor. Sockets 4 and 5 towards the front edge are for CO2, PID, or combustible gas sensor types. Sensors can be added or changed as required. However, an instrument that is configured for nitric oxide, hydrogen chloride, ethylene oxide, hydrazine, or formaldehyde cannot be swapped with a different sensor type without hardware modification and cannot be placed in any other socket than socket 3 or 1. If this change is desired, the unit needs to be sent back to the factory to be reconfigured. It is also important to note that sticky gas sensors such as chlorine, hydrogen chloride, or ozone can only be used with the Yes Air D Diffusion model. The Yes Air can be powered by rechargeable batteries, alkaline batteries, or plugged into a wall using an adapter which doubles as a battery charger. The batteries are installed in the bottom of the unit. If using rechargeable batteries, you must use the wall adapter to recharge them. Each Yes Air instrument is shipped from the factory configured to be powered by rechargeable batteries. It is important to remember that if you want to remove the rechargeable batteries and use alkaline batteries instead, you will need to change the battery type on the instrument menu so the unit knows to stop trying to charge the batteries when the unit is plugged into the wall. If you are using alkaline batteries, as long as the battery type is set in the menu, the unit can be left powered off and plugged into the wall without worry of damage to the batteries or the unit. When using rechargeable batteries, in order to charge them, you have to make sure the instrument is plugged into the wall and turned off. It is recommended that when the unit is not in use, you keep it turned off and plugged in. This will keep the rechargeable batteries charged, the sensors warm, and reduce the time it takes for the unit to power up and be ready to use. For configurations that include two high-powered sensors, such as CO2 and a TVOC, or a CO2 and a combustible gas sensor, an external battery pack should be used. The external battery pack attaches to the Yes Air and comes with rechargeable batteries installed from the factory. The wall adapter may be used to recharge the rechargeable batteries in the external battery pack at the same time as recharging the rechargeable batteries in the Yes Air unit. It is important that you use the same battery type in both locations. If you want to use alkaline batteries, you must change the menu setting and ensure alkaline batteries are installed in the external battery pack and the Yes Air unit. The Yes Air is available with an optional data logging package, which includes a USB cable, 2 GB memory card with card reader, and a USB thumb drive loaded with our proprietary Yes Viewer software and installation instructions. The Yes Air can only accommodate up to 2 GB memory card. It is unadvisable to try to use a larger capacity memory card. Also, if you remove or insert the card without powering the instrument off, this will cause data corruption and the card will need to be reformatted. If you will be sampling air in areas that are difficult to access, there's an optional sampling probe available. This option only works with the Yes Air pump model. The 10-inch wand with 30 inches of tubing fits onto the nozzle and allows you to reach into hard-to-get-at places. The Yes Air has an extensive menu system of features and functions that can be set to meet your specific requirements. The membrane push buttons have been designed so that an accidental light touch will not register and change the settings. With this in mind, you need to press firmly and slowly to activate the buttons. Use the menu button to select, and the up and down arrows to scroll through the menu items. The menu items can also be set using the Yes Viewer software installed on your computer. The Yes Air is ideal for any application where it is necessary to monitor indoor air quality, such as airports, hospitals, banks, commercial and government buildings, schools, research facilities, and many more where indoor air quality is a concern. The Yes Air is CE certified for safety, emissions, and immunity. For more information about the Yes Air, contact your authorized dealer, regional sales manager, or any other member of our team at critical-environment.com or 1-877-940-8741.